Congress Chief Vincent H. Bala said that the Congress party is ready to support the National People's Party-led MDA government, but without the Bharatiya Janata Party. Addressing media persons, he said his party would be very happy if it can convince the NPP to cut off ties with the BJP. The Congress had extended its support to the NPP for toppling the UDP-led EC in KH-ADC. Bala said that the situation is totally different from the case of former CLP leader Ampreen Lingdo and 4 other former MLAs of the party who were expelled for supporting the NPP-led MDA government ahead of 2023 polls. Meanwhile, he said he will remain and contest from a Congress ticket in the upcoming Lok Sabha election.
I started as a simple layman. I cannot be just carried away by a party. I remain with the Congress, always remain with the Congress. I always remain a simple man. I don't mind whether I lose or I win the election, but I should not surrender my rights. I should not always surrender my values. I should not surrender whatever that intention with the Congress has given on me. No question from the NPP, no question from any party. I'll be with the Congress, contest from the Congress, and all of you should support me. I should win back.
The Jowa unit of the Khasi authors